back to my channel. I hope that you guys are all having an awesome day. If this is the first time you're visiting, thank you so much for clicking. So far, this channel helps you not in learning German language in an interesting way, but also brings you the culture of Germany. And for today, I'm going to be sharing with you the answer of a question that I've been getting a lot more specifically on our Facebook community about German living and about its visa. I'm gonna try my level best to break it down and explain each and every criteria so that you all will be able to have much needed information. Now with that out of the way, let's dive right into this week's video. Alright, so the first question that definitely pops up in everyone's mind while deciding to move to Germany for any reason is, obviously there are lots of documents that you need to carry with yourself, but most importantly, you should have. Travel to Germany has never been more organized, no matter what the purpose of your travel is. So the very first visa is Job Seeker Visa. It gives to its holder the opportunity to come to Germany and seek a job. Next we have Higher Studies Visa. People who wish to enter the country with the sole purpose of attending a language course or to continue their studies at an educational institution in Germany. Working Visa is for people who have gotten a job in Germany. Now let's move on to the Germany visa requirements. Mentioned below are the documents required for any Germany visa application. Now let's explain you all with the help of required information. Application form duly completed with correct and honest answers that comply with the information in other required documents. Then you must have passport photo, which must be taken within the last 3 months and according to the other photo standards set by the German embassy. Health insurance, a document that confirms you have obtained health insurance that covers illness, accidents, etc. Travel itinerary, that includes proof of your round-trip flight, travel reservation or other documents that show intended transport as well as proof of what you are planning to do in Germany within the period that you wish to remain. Coming on to the next one, you should have proof of financial means, which is a document that proves you have the amount of money to finance yourself during your planned stay in Germany. This can be a recent bank statement that shows you have enough funds to spend at least 45 euros per day spent in Germany. If proof of own financing is not possible, the applicant can submit a formal declaration of a third person who is willing to finance their travel and stay in Germany alongside with the proof of their financial means. Now it's time for you to know the application process for Germany visa. You gotta follow all these process step by step, in which step 1 comes prepare your visa application. Step 2, make an appointment. Step 3, go to the application center. Step 4, visa application submission. Step 5, entering of application information. Last but not the least, step 6, biometric data collection. Included this, you must know the required documents as per the higher studies. Which are valid passport, proof of health insurance, proof of sufficient funds, records of previous study and language skills. If applying for a prospective student visa, a recognized higher education entrance qualification, and possibly a health certificate. The visa processing can take about 10 to 15 working days, or there could be delays depending on the specific situation of the application. So that is pretty much for the video. I really hope that you enjoyed and found it useful. Let me know which one you found it most important down below, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in next video. Till then, take care, stay tuned. Bye bye. Shoes.